Welcome everyone to our next SAP Withholding Tax Configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will define withholding tax type for payment posting. So in this activity, you define the withholding tax type for posting at the time of payment. You also have to enter the withholding tax information when entering the document for this withholding tax type. So let's create here withholding tax type for the payment posting. Go to transaction code SMIMG. Then go to financial accounting global settings, then withholding tax, go to here extended withholding tax, then calculation, withholding tax type, then click here define withholding tax type for payment posting. Click select here the country, region, then click on continue here. Then after click on new entries here. So for payment it's a 1T, code will be 1T. So you can check below the calculation procedure like it's on base amount, net amount. These are the indicator over there. If you want to change like anything as per your requirement, you can update the checkbox. And then after click on save, continue with this TR. Now you can see here your withholding tax type for payment posting is created. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.